Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have my regular Ipsy Glambag. This is the smallest of the three Ipsy Glambags. This is the regular one, which is now a $12 bag, and you generally get 5 sample size or deluxe sample size. Sometimes they throw in a full size product. And the next one that I have the video up for is the Glambag Plus, and that is $25 and you get 5 full-size products. And then there's the Ipsy Ultimate, which was new this month. They had some execution issues, but we'll wait and see how it turns out next month. And it's $50 and you get 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe sample size products, or at least that's the theory. But let's get into my regular glam bag. I'm just gonna cut it right open and see what I've got. Yay, she's so cute. Did that work? I have no idea. And I felt something else in here. Ooh, I think this was my add-on. I got a Sigma Eye blending brush, which, by the way, I have on today the browns, the baked browns that came in my Boxycharm, and it's fairly light. With those baked browns, I literally took my shadow brush and tapped into it and then beat it off the back, and it is so pigmented. It is awesome. This Sigma brush feels fantastic. This is my first Sigma. I have never had one. And let's reach for my glasses. It is the Blending E25. And this is what that looks like. I love it. It's so new and soft, and these bristles feel fantastic. I can't wait. That was a fantastic $3 add-on. Let's see what I got in my cute little Betty Boop bag. So the front is Betty, which I know some people aren't thrilled with, but I think it is super cute. And the back is sequined, and there's a little bee pull tab. And the inside of this one is just black, and it has the Betty Boop by Ipsy insignia. Let's dig in and see what I've got. I have They're Real. I have lots of They're Real. I seem to be getting it in a lot of my boxes lately, and I just got a full-sized one in my QVC Tilly box. I'll put that up here if you'd like to go see that. And I didn't even realize when I was talking about it, this is not my favorite mascara, because this is the one that on the inside, I'm not going to open it because I'm going to put it in my giveaway, which I will talk about in a second. On the edge of the brush, it's got like a little ball, and some people love it. They use it for their little lashes or to get into the corner really well. I can't not poke myself with it. I just can't. Oh, isn't it just like me to forget the card? Which is ironic because it says, don't forget, the choice is yours. We go in on October 23rd and we get to pick one of the products that comes in our boxes or bags. And the other side says, flaunt it. And that is the theme for this month. And on the inside, we have the products that they've sent me. So this says about the They're Real. Founded by 2 sisters in San Francisco, this quirky brand puts the fun back in makeup without sacrificing any of the quality. This multitasking mascara helps curl, separate, lift, and volumize with staggered bristles that grip your lashes close to the root, coating even the tiniest ones. So that's what they say about that. Let's see what else is in here. Next I have, oh, another brush. I received a brush as part of my bag. This is a concealer. Bogashi. It feels really nice. I think I've had this brand once before, and that's what that looks like. It feels, the bristles feel really nice on it. Let's see what this says. French for beautiful mess. I like that. Bogashi creates high-quality products that are easy to afford. Made for cream or powder concealers, this brush has a tapered tip that reaches hard-to-hit areas like the inner corner of your eyes and around your nose. I like it. I love brushes. Let's see what else I have. Ooh, I have a lip. Oh, I wish I didn't have a lip on. Or something to wipe it off with. This is the Betty Boop lip, and this is what I actually chose for this bag, which means I should have known to come up here without a lip. But it is the Betty Boop by Ipsy Mauve it, baby. And this is what that looks like. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love that. It is so pretty. Let's see what this says. Betty Boop by Ipsy Satin Lipstick in Mauve it, baby. Introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. This satin finish mauve lip color is highly pigmented, non-drying, and feels light on your lips. The neutral shade is so versatile. Wear it from work to weekend and any occasion in between. Let's see. Okay, I found something to wipe my lips off with, so let's try it out. It's not real pigmented. I like that color. It's very wearable. It didn't go on super dark. It is nice and creamy. I like that. Okay, next I have what's big. It is a Grow Long. That's always good for me. I love hair products. I know some people aren't thrilled to receive hair products in these bags, but I am always looking for anything to make it shinier and stronger. Leave-In Conditioner by Marc Anthony. And this is what that looks like. And this says, Strengthening Grow Long Super Fast Strength Leave-In Conditioner. They like the word strength in there. Marc Anthony delivers high-quality products that produce salon-like results at home. This multitasking leave-in conditioner detangles, repairs breakage, and promotes healthy hair growth in one simple step. Well, that is interesting, and this is heavy. This is 1.69 ounces is what they say, but it feels really heavy. Okay, so that'll be excellent for me. That was a good choice. And last but not least, I have Kanika CBD Hydrating Lip Balm. Very interesting. Always happy to have lip balms. When I'm just around the house, I have always got to have something on my lips because I tend to be so dry. So let's see what this says. CBD is so popular now. I don't know what the benefits are, but CBD is so popular now. And you know, I'm basically a child of the late 70s, so for me it has whole different connotations, but I'm getting on board. Kanika's products use CBD derived from hemp. It's non-psychoactive, safe for all ages, and has strong anti-inflammatory properties to help heal your skin. That's interesting. This lightweight, nourishing lip balm is made with CBD and Manuka honey. Oh, so Kanuka. All right. To calm inflammation and soothe dry, chapped lips. That is excellent. I actually use Manuka honey for stomach aches. I use a 15 plus and it's supposed to be really good for you. This smells delightful. It smells kind of citrusy. It doesn't smell, not that I would know what him smells like, but I've heard from a friend this doesn't smell like that, nor does it smell like honey. It's very nice. I like that a lot. I know it seems like it's a lip balm, but I like lip balms and I'm happy to just have them laying about. That was my Ipsy Glambag for the month. So we got our cute, and I think she's super cute, little Betty Boop cosmetic case that I think probably I'm going to use. I think it's adorable. I got my CBD lip balm, my Grow Strong for my hair, this cute Betty Boop lip, the They're Real mascara, and my Beau Gâchis Beautiful Mess concealer brush, and I added on for $3 a nice Sigma blending brush. This is excellent for $12. I think this is a great $12 value. I could not, technically 15 because of this guy, but I am super happy with this. So Ipsy got 2 out of 3 right this month. I know, I hate to be that girl because we've all said it now, right? Okay, moving on. So I am getting very close to my 3,000K. I cannot thank you guys enough. I appreciate you being here and watching my content and talking with me in the comments, which is my favorite part personally, but I am so grateful to all of you for that. So I'm putting together my 3K giveaway, which we'll be doing really soon, and I want to pick up something special for it. And I can't decide whether to do skincare or makeup. So let me know below, which way do you guys prefer if I'm going to pick up a nice piece? Would you prefer it be skincare or makeup? Let me know below. Have a great week. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.